Hi guys, welcome. It is me again with my eating video. So today I am going to be eating my roasted plantain. I will leave a link up to show you how I roast this plantain. It is absolutely delicious. So yes, this is just roast. This is the plantain here. Let's get into this video. So I'm going to take my plantain and get loads of onions. It is very spicy. Because I added Nigerian, you know, the little red chili. Check out how I made this video. You will see what I'm saying. It is. I didn't know it's gonna be very spicy. I only put half of that chili, but I am sweating. Ooh. Very spicy. It is very spicy. Whew. My mouth is literally on fire. Oh my Lord. Sweat is coming out everywhere, even from my armpit, my hair. But it is absolutely delicious. Although it's very spicy, but it's still delicious. Leave a comment below and tell me how you like to eat your roast plantain. Is it with palm oil, red chili and onions, or what? How do you like to eat it? I'm going to add a little more onions because my onions is finished. So that is it. And let's finish up. I like to eat it with onions. I like the crunchiness of the onions. It is absolutely delicious, but if you're going to make this, don't add too much red pepper. Ooh, don't add it because my mouth is literally on fire, but it is delicious. Try this recipe, you will absolutely love it. So thank you. This is another Nigerian eating video, and I just finished my roasted plantain with red oil, onions and red pepper. So thank you guys for stopping by. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe, and I'll see you on my next one. Bye bye.